This video is sponsored by PelucidFX.com. Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Now guys, let's take a look at the gold market. Well, on the gold market it's a bit more information than on the euro currency. On the euro currency we said that in fact we do not see anything new there, but here we see some warning signs for bullish development. Well, and although we have treated this action as the bullish, since that was the reasonable retracement down, the market has shown this upward action, but there was really strength action to the upside, strong action. In fact, here we have the Jordan-Napoli directional bearish pattern that calls stretch, because stretch is the combination of the Fib resistance, and we know that that is the 618 Fib resistance of that move down, and daily overbought. Usually this pattern, when it forms, suggests some retracement down, and as the theoretical target is the middle between the bands of the oscillator predictor. Now we will take a look where it stands. Well, that's really significant range, somewhere around the same area, okay, but that's not necessarily always happens. That's theoretical target. Sometimes a stretch pattern just leads to some retracement down, but probably I would not worry too much with it if we do not have this action. Take a look at that could be the bearish stop grabber pattern on the daily time frame. If this daily bearish pattern will work, then market should take it out of these lows. What does it mean for us? For us, this means that we can't take the long position if this pattern will be formed, and until market will not take it out of this highs, other words, will not erase this pattern. Until this pattern will be valid, we can't possess ourselves on the long side of the market, because that will be the risk. That will be the risk that market could continue to move down and take it out of these lows. And as I said, theoretically, the stretch pattern suggests that really could happen. The market could really reach this area and just complete this pattern, reach the target of the stretch pattern. That's why we should be extra careful with the gold market right now. Despite that we see this upward action, and despite how beautiful the perspective of this action looks like currently, that we have discussed yesterday, this reverse head and shoulders, and really 1550 area that could be reached by the market with this upward action. We have excellent looking ABCD pattern in progress and so on. In the short term perspective, if market will close as it stands now and will form this bearish stop grabber, that will be the sign, and that will be the moment that we should be worried about. We'll see on the next week, because this is really a bit worrying sign. Well, on the 4-hour time frame chart, you could see how market usually behaves around the daily oversold, the daily overbought, and Fib resistance. Attempt to continue move, fail. Attempt to continue move, fail. Again. So this is long shadows, shows that this is the swampy area where market just sticks with inside of it and can't pass through it, because there's really the resistance. Well, and probably market could turn to the downside action even today trading session, when the traders will start to take the profit or just partially close the position before a weekend. Well, in fact, on the intraday charts we do not see much to discuss. The same levels as we have talked about yesterday. It's probably, as we said, that probably should be the deep retracement, since this is the overbought and the Fib resistance, and gold markets itself likes to show the 618 retracements, so probably we should be ready for some deeper retracement. But one moment that I do not want to see is the appearing of the stop grabber. Well, because that will be really, it will really complicate live trust on the gold market. Well, we'll see what will happen. On the lower time frames, in fact, I do not have any comments right now. On the 13-minute chart, we see this some sort of the consolidation. It reminds maybe the head and shoulders pattern. We'll take a look at this, but I probably would not treat it as the head and shoulders because it's too choppy action, and not very we can't estimate this really definitely. The shape of the head and shoulders doesn't look very clear here. It's just some kind of round top it's forming with some spikes. Probably it's better to not treat it as the head and shoulders pattern, although it reminds it. So here we have some kind of the consolidation that market stands now. If it passes through these lows, it's probably we could tell that this retracement has started, if it will happen today. Well, until that will happen, I'll have some hope that maybe market will not complete this daily stop grabber pattern, and we will have some more clearer setup on the next week. Let's see what we will get by the close of the current week, and we will discuss it in the regular weekly research during the weekend on gold.